Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how you can exchange items on Pandabuy. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm gonna show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now in Pandabuy. So we're gonna go to a guide that I found on Reddit that explains how you can exchange items. As you can see guys, here the title, can I exchange or return through contacting agents? So as you can see guys, the guy said, so I recently ordered a pair of A1 Dunk clothes just to find out that the previous QCs showed that the color was way off. When I went to cancel the order, had already processed and is showing purchased. Rather than waiting for the pair to ship and ordered, then return. Is it possible for the agent to order a different color, way from me just contacting them? The shoe that I ordered and one I am trying to exchange it with are both from A1. So as you can see guys, this guy answered him, hey man, if you want to change, you can contact your agents. If the seller hasn't shipped, you still have the chance to change without wasting time. But if the seller has shipped, you need to wait until the shoes arrive at the warehouse to return or exchange them. So as you can see guys, it's possible to exchange items. This guy also said, yes, you can contact your agent. If you order is already at the warehouse, you have to pay the shipping fee to return the item, usually 1 to 2 yuan, nothing special. So this is it guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.